Hello everyone. In the previous lecture we see the definitions of two types of topology, that is standard topology and lower limit topology on R. So in this lecture we see the next type of topology, that is K topology on R, and what are the relation between the standard topology, K topology and lower limit topology. Now as we seen that the basis of standard topology are all open intervals. The basis of lower limit topology are all closed open intervals, closed open AB. Now here we see the basis of K topologies and equivalent definition. Now first upon see the definition. Let capital K denotes the set of all numbers of the form 1 by n, where n belongs to set of positive integers z plus, and B double dash be the collection of all open intervals along with the all sets of the form AB open interval AB minus K. So this collection generates a topology, and this topology is called as K topology on R, and that K topology on R, it is denoted by RK, that is R suffix K. It is K topology. RL for lower limit topology and RK for K topology, where K denotes the set of all numbers of the form 1 upon n, n belongs to z plus 1. Then the all open interval AB minus K forms a basis, and this basis generates a topology. That topology is called as K topology. Now till now we all known that standard topology, lower limit topology, RL and K topology. Now next question is that what are the comparison between the standard topology, lower limit topology and K topology? Which one is coarser, which one is finer of the three? Now here we know that the standard topology are generated by open intervals. So all the elements of standard topology are in the form of open interval or its union of open intervals. On the same way, the lower limit topology are generated by closed open interval. So here we observe that suppose if we taking an open interval AB, so that open interval AB, it is basis for standard topology. Then closed open interval AB, it is basis for lower limit topology. So which topology is finer and which topology is coarser? So obviously the lower limit topology contains an extra, that is lower element in that set, in that collection, but the standard topology excluded the lower as well as upper element. It contains the open element, open interval as a element. So lower limit topology, it is finer than standard topology. Also the K topology contains an element R in the form of some open interval AB minus K. So lower limit topology and the standard topology, lower limit topology and K topologies are the finer than standard topology, but none of the lower limit topology compare with that K topology. That is, none of the lower limit topology is finer than K topology, or K topology is finer than lower limit topology. For this comparison, we use the lemma 13.3, which says that how we compare the topologies when we know the basis. Now the three topology, that is standard topology, lower limit topology and K topology, all we know the basis for that three topology. So using the topology we can compare, using the basis we can compare the topology in the lemma 13.3. That says that the topologies on RL and RK are strictly finer than standard topology on R, but not comparable with one another. That is, RL and RK are finer than standard topology, but neither RL finer than RK or RK is finer than RL. So let us first prove that standard topology is compared with lower limit topology, that is lower limit topology, it is finer than standard topology. Now let us see the notation, that is the toe dash and toe double dash are the topologies on standard topology, lower limit topology and K topologies. So these are the notation, that is tau, tau dash and tau double dash. Tau for standard topology, tau dash for lower limit topology, tau double dash for K topology respectively. These are the notation. Now first claim is to prove that lower limit topology, it is strictly finer than standard topology, and same K topology, it is finer than standard topology. Now first claim to prove that lower limit topology tau dash, it is finer than standard topology tau. But what that lemma 13.3 says that for every x belongs to x and for any basis element b in curly b containing x, there exists a finer topology basis elements b dash in b dash such that x belongs to b dash, it is subset of b, then we say that tau dash is finer than tau. So using that definition, we have to prove that for any basis element b containing x, we can find the another basis element b dash from the tau dash such that b dash, it is contained in the basis element b, which b dash containing x. So here tau dash, what are the type of basis element of tau dash? Tau dash, it is lower limit topology. So type of basis elements are closed open interval. So if we taking a open interval, that is basis elements of tau which is open interval AB. Now taking x belongs to AB, AB is the basis element of tau. Now for any x belongs to AB, that is x lies between A to B, then there is a basis element closed open XB which containing x, say b dash of tau dash containing x. So we obtain x belongs to closed open interval AB, XB, and b dash, it is subset of open interval AB. So this satisfies the criteria for the 13.3. So tau dash, it is finer than tau. So we reverse observe that is that tau is finer than tau dash. Suppose taking one element tau dash, say closed open interval xd for tau dash. So there is a no and x belongs to closed open xd, then there is a no open interval containing x and lies in closed open xd. Since if we taking x belongs to that open interval AB, but that open interval AB cannot be a subset of closed open interval xd, since in this case A is less than x is less than b, and in that case x is less than some d, it include x, which is not possible since this set contains all elements, lies between A to B, that is it contains all elements which are strictly less than b. So this is not possible. So tau is not finer than tau dash. On the same way, we directly say that tau dash is finer than tau. Okay, so same thing can be done for tau double dash. That is, claim is to prove that tau double dash, it is strictly finer than tau. That is K topology, it is finer than standard topology. Now given what are the bases? Now basis of standard topology, that is open interval AB. So open interval AB are the basis elements of tau. So taking x belongs to open interval AB, we have to find out a basis element b double dash of the new topology, that is tau double dash, such that x belongs to open interval AB and also x belongs to b double dash, and b double dash, it is subset of open interval AB. So in that case b double dash, it is same open interval AB has been worked out. So x belongs to open interval AB, then b double dash is also open interval AB, is same element in tau dash, such that x belongs to AB, it is subset of AB. So tau double dash, it is finer than tau by lemma 13.3. On the other hand, if we are taking a one of the element in tau double dash, say -1 to 1 minus k, it is basis element of tau double dash and it contains a point 0, 0 belongs to this one, but there is no open interval which is a basis of tau contains 0 and totally lies in B, So tau double dash, it is not a coarser than tau, it is a finer than tau. On the same way, we can prove that a lower limit topology, it is not a finer than standard topology or lower limit topology, it is not a finer than K topology, or K topology is not a finer than lower limit topology. Now next see that, as we already know that all the basis elements and its union forms a topology. Then next definition says about that arbitrary union which forms a subbasis. A subbasis curly S for topology on X is collection of subsets of X whose union equals to X. So subbasis denoted by curly S for a topology on X is a collection of subsets of X whose union is nothing but whole X. Suppose we have the X equals to 1, 2, 3 containing elements 1, 2, 3, then a subbasis, it is an set whose elements are nothing but all those elements which forms a union, whose union forms a whole set X. For example, suppose S is a singleton A, singleton B, singleton C, then its union forms a set X. So the set S curly S, it forms singleton A, singleton B, singleton C. It forms a subbasis for a topology generated on a set X equals to ABC. And the topology generated by the subbasis S is defined to be collection tau of all unions of finite intersection of elements of S. Remember this thing, that the topology generated by the subbasis S, it is nothing but the all union of finite intersection of elements of S. So that set forms a topology, and the corresponding set, it is a subbasis and it is denoted by curly S. So today we discuss what are the relation between the standard topology, lower limit topology and K topology, how they compare with each other, and we conclude that the lower limit topology, it is strictly finer than standard topology. K topology, it is strictly finer than standard topology, but none of the lower limit topology, it is finer than K topology, or K topology is finer than lower limit topology. So that's why we say that lower limit topology and K topology are non-comparable topologies, but these two topologies are strictly finer than standard topology. And using that, also we see the definition of subbasis. So subbasis, it is denoted by curly S, and it is a collection of all subsets of X whose union forms a X. And the topology corresponding to subbasis gives the elements as all unions of finite intersection of elements of S. So this forms a subbasis. Now in the next lecture we solve some exercise problems on subbasis and the topology and the comparison of topologies.